Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. Prashanti is a renowned sari brand with its heritage for over 25 years, known for its uncompromising quality, unique designs and huge variety. We have saris for every occasion, tradition and budget. We believe in tradition for generations and our collections reflect that. We have our stores both in T Nagar, Chennai and Malleshwaram in Bangalore. In today's video, we are going to see very pretty bridal Kanjivarams. This time we have got both in pure zari and also in 2-gram golden zari weaving. Beautiful and unique hand-picked designs for the modern brides. Let's get started. All the saris that I'm going to show you today are pure hand-woven Kanchipuram silk saris. These saris are silk mark certified. Our blouse stitching and embroidery unit is working full-fledged. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available in the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. All these saris qualify for a free domestic shipping. We do international shipping as well. We charge about 990 rupees for the first sari and rupees 300 for every additional sari. We are releasing a new collection every day at 10:45 am at prashantisarees.in. A small snippet of this collection is released as a video in our YouTube channel. The same video is also available in our Facebook and Instagram handle. To stay on top of our new arrivals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or sign up with our newsletter. The first one for today, traditional color combination, bottle green with pink. Very pretty korvai weaving on either sides in traditional retapet zari woven pattern, half diamond pattern woven on both sides, with the entire body having traditionally woven vairausi style, horizontal lines of zari closely knit running throughout the sari, which gives a tissue look. This has got a contrast pallu in pink. That's the pallu, very rich and classy, and a plain vairausi blouse in pink. This sari is priced at 23,690. Next one more traditional color, maroon, self sari with rich Kanchipuram borders on either sides. Very intricate weaves of floral pattern, brocade weaving running throughout the body with zari woven buttas running along the sari. This has got a rich self pallu, that's pallu. Beautiful weaves woven in golden zari along the pallu, and this has got a brocade blouse in maroon, priced at 19,650. This one is a beautiful blue with orange combination, korvai borders, traditional Kanchipuram borders on either sides with intricate weaves of peacocks running throughout the body. That's how it looks. Very classy and rich. This has got a contrast rich zari woven pallu in orange. That's the pallu, and a contrast blouse in orange, priced at 31,350. Next one is a full tissue sari, golden beige with pink combination, rich tissue body with intricate floral weaves running throughout the sari, korvai borders in Kanchipuram style on either sides. This has got a very pretty and intricately woven pallu in floral pattern and a contrast matching blouse in pink, priced at 24,500. This one is navy blue with maroon combination, selvage in green on either sides with beautiful zari checked pattern running throughout the sari, and towards the borders this has got very pretty peacocks and elephants intricately woven with half diamond zari woven pattern. This has got a contrast pallu in maroon with elephants and peacocks running throughout the pallu, and a plain blouse in maroon. This is a pure zari woven pattern, priced at 34,860. Orange and red dashing color combination with self embossed weaves running throughout the sari. This is a pure zari weaving, paisley butta subtly woven throughout the body with rich Kanchipuram borders on either sides, deer and peacock motifs running along the border with bavanjis and rudrakshams. This has got a contrast pallu in red with very intricate weaves of annams, elephants and rudrakshams, and a contrast plain blouse in red, priced at 34,990. This one is a very contemporary design, green with maroon combination, beautiful zigzag weaves running throughout the sari with self-embossed pattern running on maroon and green. This has got a rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse, priced at 46,530. Cream and pink 2-gram golden zari weaving sari with rich geometric brocade weaving running along the entire sari. This has got korvai borders with very pretty parrots and floral pattern running on both sides with selvage in peachish pink. This has got a contrast pink pallu with rich zari woven pattern and a contrast plain blouse, priced at 17,570. This one is teal with silver tissue weaving. The entire sari has silver tissue with tree of life motifs, very pretty and elegant, running throughout the sari, borderless style, with a rich tissue pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a teal blouse, priced at 28,800. This one is magenta with dual shade of pink, simple piping zari borders on either sides with zari checked pattern running throughout the entire body. Very pretty and classy paisleys and peacock motifs alternating in between the checks. This is a pure zari sari. This has got a contrast double color pink pallu with intricate weaving, that's the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse, priced at 27,850. One more in pure zari weaving. It's a lovely copper sulfate blue with maroon combination, traditional korvai weaving, Kanchipuram borders on either sides with small zari checked pattern, very classy and rich running throughout the sari. This has got floral buttas, very small and intricate, running throughout the body with a contrast rich zari woven pallu in maroon, thread and zari woven pattern running along the pallu, beautiful and classy, and this has got a contrast plain blouse in maroon, priced at 43,990. This one is baby pink with full silver tissue weaving, rich babanji borders on either sides with tissue in silver and pink combination running along the body. The body has got very intricate meenakari motifs in thread and zari running along the entire sari with a rich self pallu in silver, that's the pallu. This is a 2-gram zari weaving sari. This has got a self blouse in baby pink, priced at 23,090. This one is deep navy blue with pink combination, long Kanchipuram zari woven borders in korvai weaving on either sides, with the entire body having small zari checked pattern and buttas, 1000 butta style, running in between the checks. This has got a contrast rich zari woven pallu in pink. This is a 2-gram golden zari weaving sari and a contrast blouse in pink, priced at 17,570. This one is tissue sari, pastel green with lavender, a very unique and classy color combination with rich Kanchipuram borders and korvai weaving in lavender on either sides. Beautiful and intricately woven floral pattern running along the entire body with a contrast pallu in lavender, zari woven pallu, and this has got a lavender blouse, priced at 24,500. This one is red traditional wedding sari with selvage in green on either sides, half diamond zari woven borders on either sides. This is a pure zari woven sari with small buttas running throughout the body. This has got a rich self pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain maroon blouse, priced at 26,190. The next one is traditional multicolor palum parnum checks, 3-color checked pattern running throughout the sari in maroon, green and yellow with rich bavanji borders, zari checks along with traditionally woven mild chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. This has got a contrast pallu in maroon, rich zari woven pallu, and a plain maroon blouse. This is a pure zari weaving sari priced at 35,060. This one is a beautiful sari, dual shade of peach with coffee brown combination, traditional Kanchipuram borders and korvai weaving. This is a pure zari and beautiful and intricately woven zari buttas running throughout the body. This has got a contrast pallu in coffee brown, rich zari woven pallu and a coffee brown blouse priced at 31,350. One more in pure zari weaving. It's a beautiful green with maroon combination, very rich and traditional. Bawanji borders along with paisley buttas running on both sides of the border. The body has got a self-embossed pattern with beautiful paisley zari woven buttas running throughout the body. This has got a contrast rich pallu in maroon, that's pallu, and a plain maroon blouse priced at 34,990. One more classy sari. It's a very pretty chiku with maroon combination, Bawanji borders on either sides with zari checked pattern running throughout the sari. It's a pure zari with mild chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. This has got a contrast rich pallu in maroon, beautiful and intricately woven pallu, and a plain maroon blouse priced at 33,430. This one is a gorgeous double color blue with rich Kanchipuram borders, a self sari with zari checked pattern and very pretty peacock motifs alternating in between the checks. This has got a rich self pallu, intricate weaving along the pallu and a plain blouse in double color blue priced at 29,990. This one is a very classy sari suitable for tall women. This one is a beautiful pink with orange combination. The top half of the sari has got very pretty leaf motifs self-embossed throughout the sari, and towards the bottom half this has got raising temple weaves in antique golden zari that falls along the pallu, tissue pallu with a plain blouse priced at 24,490. One more pretty color combination. It's green with orange, korvai weaving with Bawanji border on either sides, small zari woven paisleys running on both sides of the borders with the body having mail and chakram buttas alternating throughout the body. This has got a contrast rich zari woven pallu in orange, that's the pallu, and a plain orange blouse priced at 21,350. This one is deep magenta with rich Bawanji borders on either sides, 2-gram golden zari weaving with tissue body and intricately woven floral buttas and thread running throughout the sari. This has got a very pretty pallu, tissue with big motifs and a plain blouse in magenta priced at 18,890. The last one for today, hot pink with piping zari borders on either sides, all over zari brocade weaving with paisleys and floral pattern, very rich and beautiful running throughout the sari with a rich self pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and this has got a pink blouse priced at 22,290. All these saris are available in our website. We have many more unique colors and designs that are uploaded. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also download our app that is available in iOS and Android to take a look at this collection. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.